All right, Jeeves, you can take the picture now.
It's Jones, sir.
Whatever, just take the shot. Excellent. Now for the robot. Milton!
Yeah, Dr. Cranium.
Ah, I see you've installed the new carpeting.
Yep.
Excellent. It looks like we'll be ready to open just as soon as all the licenses... Would you squeeze that like that?
Sorry.
How is the inventory coming along anyway?
Oh yeah, things are going just great. Mostly great.
Yes, well, never mind that. Come back to the lab. I could use your help.
Okie dokie.
Now, Johnson, bring this MRE into the kitchen.
It's Jones, sir.
Yes, yes. Ah, thank you, James. Jones. Juniper. Ah, Milton, perfect timing.
Hey, Doc, what's up?
Well, I'm glad you asked. I have been chosen to participate in a grand culinary photographic experiment. Look, what do you see here?
An ugly brown rectangle.
Correct! It's an MRE, a meal ready to eat, sent to me by the good people at Government Food.
That thing is food?
It will be, robot.
That is a challenge.
No. That's not the challenge. The challenge is to take the food inside and make it look as appetizing as possible. You see, each participant gets a before photograph and an after photograph, and at the end of the project,
They'll have a bunch of pictures of ugly brown rectangles.
you robots have no sense of poetry.
So why am I here? You want me to help you make the food look pretty?
No. My manservant, what is his name, will do that.
Well, then what am I for?
You robots are going to eat the resulting meal.
I'm so out of here.
Computer, seal all exits. Jonesy, get to work on this MRE. Milton, come back here. It won't hurt. Probably much.
Hello, and welcome to the kitchen. Today we'll be delving into the intricacies of presentation, for all the cooking has been done for us. Our subject, menu number 2, boneless pork chop. Our challenge, to arrange it on a plate so that it would be worthy of inclusion in any culinary magazine or Rubio Fudigan's menu. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Excellent. So let's take a look inside. Here we have condiments and a small pack of instant coffee. Cheese spread with jalapenos. Flameless ration heater. That sounds like science. Crackers, vegetable. Beverage base powder, cherry flavor. Chocolate mint pound cake, that does sound good. All-purpose utensil, spiced apples, and our main dish, pork chop chunked and formed with Jamaican-style seasoning and noodles. The first thing that I notice is that there are no instructions, especially for the flameless ration heater. So we're just going to open it up and see what happens. If my face burns off, you'll be the first to know. Aha! Instructions. First we remove the MRE pouch from the carton. This is our pork chop. Tear off the top of the bag. Hopefully this one will be a little bit easier. Aha! Place the MRE in the pouch with the heater. Do not eat. While holding the MRE pouch and heater above the lines on the bag, pour water into the bag until it reaches a level between the lines. It says do not overfill, and I just did. Stuff assembly into carton. I can't read the instructions because I'm stuffing in the carton. Underneath MRE, hold carton level until heater feels warm. Prevent water from escaping. Carton inclined with folded end and bag up over a rock or something. I suppose that's what we have to do. While we're letting our pork chop stew in some sort of chemical morass that hopefully will make it warmer, let's concentrate on the drinks. If that doesn't look thirst-quenching, I don't know what does. As you can see, I've unwrapped the pork chops and the rest of the packaged food. You can see what we have to work with here. It's edible, but not terribly pretty. Let's see if we can do something about that. Job. Oh my god, it's so meatloafy. Kill for something green in this package.
Alright, robot. Are you sitting comfortably?
I would be, only you bolted the chair to my...
Good! Then we'll begin.
Are you absolutely positive this is food?
Well, it said it was on the package.
I think the package probably would have tasted better.
Milton! Just take a bite and get it over with.
Okay. Sure.
And cut.
Oh, thank God.